So silver, as we've been saying, Mag in particular has been saying gold and silver. Those are like the things that he's most bullish on. I tend to agree. I'm super bullish on Bitcoin too. But as far as just like a quote unquote safer bet, I like gold and silver. Silver took a nasty spill off of that tariff news, 16% there. I think it was like down 7 or 8% in a single day at one point. But overall, this is still from a high time frame perspective, still very bullish. If you kind of study like parabolic rallies, one of the things that you will see happen before these parabolic rallies is, call it like the marching price action. Right, when something's about to just go into a blow off top, you see just relentless, and this was even kind of crazier, but just say it goes in one direction. And the pullbacks in this case, even on silver here, were 15, 18% pullbacks, which is, in the moment feels very aggressive, but the overall trend of the price action is very straight, very linear, and we're on a log chart and it's still linear. It's just very relentless buying until eventually all the sell orders get taken out and you just gap up and you go, no ask.
SWB audio capture not
everyone's just market
registered.
buying, FOMOing, and there's none for no one wants to sell anything, right? So that marching price action just showing a strong bid, very strong bid coming in, buyers pressing price up. It's not rocket science. That's what we've been seeing since the beginning of 2023, really, is buyers pressing price up. We got yes, it was a horrendous day for silver the other day, but if we zoom in on silver, we're getting the buyback reaction. We found demand and it's getting bought up. Anything under 28 zipped right back up to 30. So you've found buyers down here on a very scary type price action day, just like we found buyers off of this. So I do think that this ends up marching upwards and continuing upwards into a parabolic move. That's the base case. I think it'll be pretty obvious. I think you're going to see like something like that over the next year or two. And people are going to be like very skittish about buying silver, in that $40 to $50 range, because $50 was our, prior all-time high twice. So I think people are going to be like, oh, they're not getting good value for silver, but then it's just going to keep marching up, keep marching up, keep marching up. And then you're going to get the breakout on the other side of this channel. That's generally how your parabolic moves start.